Now that's how you supposed to shoot. From now on, that's how you shoot.
Hey, turn that bitch up, Glory.
I got shot, mama cried and I didn't. I got shot, mama cried and I didn't.
I got shot, mama cried and I didn't. Cause I know what it was hitting for. Load up that 4-5, bring out that extendo. I'm headed to any door that's owned by his kinfolks. Kill him and his siblings, they know how I'm wiggling. I'm down behind my gremlins, yeah. Stop talking about T.I., we all fucked the Miss Piggy. Stuffing money in the bank, hoping white man don't jit me. I been baking bread since a little nigga like Jiffy. Gotta watch these niggas close to you, cause some niggas be iffy. Niggas say they got your back, but don't scratch when shit get itchy. Your bitch an acrobat, but she was getting flipped on that mat. If you wasn't my nigga, I would've never stated these facts. I kept it real with you, since feeling lil with you. I got love in the field with you, but what's the deal with you? Hope I ain't gotta turn my back and do a drill on you, when I used to drill with you for real. Cuzzo told me watch them niggas who say they slot the most, they be lying the most. They love to brag and boast, especially in front of these hoes. That shit deserve a toast. I keep wet in the head, on my tippy toes. Sometimes you might drown, try to stay afloat. Fuck these hoes, they all come and go, but this cheddar here forever. We tryna see better days in this weather. How come funerals the only time we come together? We was in the hood trapping, really locked in with the fellas. You hung with all the good homies, I was hitting missions with the felons to get even. Wasn't no time for even Steven. At 15, I was off the porch already thieving. At 16, nigga, I was already squeezing. At 17, I was somewhere in the deep end, but I still graduated, nigga, ain't no dropout. Dudo was still sliding me packs, nigga, ain't no cop out. Put that crack under your balls when them cops out. The rat, nigga, hit them walls and just lay down. Mama said what goes around, gotta come back around. This just my testimony, nigga, I'ma knock him down. This just my testimony, nigga,
and I'ma knock him down. It's just my testimony, nigga, and I'ma knock him down.
I got shot, mama cried and I didn't. Cause I know what it was hitting for. Load up that 4-5, bring out that extendo. I'm headed to any door that's owned by his kinfolks. Kill him and his siblings, they know how I'm wiggling. I'm down behind my gremlins, yeah. Stop talking about T.I., we all fucked the Miss Piggy. Stuffing money in the bank, hoping white man don't jit me.